Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Hula Home Continuous Spray Bottle. It's received 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Transform your home and work with the Hula Home Continuous Spray Bottle. Say goodbye to ordinary spray bottles and elevate your cleaning, salon, and plant spraying routine. Designed for both style and functionality, this spray bottle is your ultimate tool. Whether you're misting your favorite plant, tackling tough stains, or styling hair, the Hula Home Spray Bottle makes every task easier. So how do you use it? Simply twist off the top, fill the bottle, twist the top back on, and you're ready to go. Featuring a sleek ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, it delivers a fine, even mist with every spray. The adjustable nozzle lets you control the flow so you can switch from a powerful stream to a gentle mist in seconds. Plus, it's made from durable BPA-free material, ensuring it's safe for you and your family. Don't settle for less. Upgrade with the Hula Home Spray Bottle today. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.